Hello, all student. Teacher name is Pol Tha. Welcome to the fun classroom. What are our plans for today, teacher? Start. Today we'll look at the right between volume units. Do pupils remember the word unit they learned is class? Student, they are liter and mid-liter. 1 liter. Teacher, can you see this? 1 liter of water. How do you know what volume it has? Student, 1 liter. Teacher, 1 liter is equal to how many liter? Student, 100 meter. Teacher, that's right. 2 liter is equivalent to how many milliliter? Student, 2000 milliliter. Teacher, correct. So, how many milliliter and they are deciliter? Student, 3000 milliliter. Teacher, can you tell me how many milliliter are comparable to 3 liter and 500 milliliter? Student, 3000 and 500 milliliter. Teacher, correct. How did you get the answer? Student, you have to do the sum unit first. Make 3 liter into milliliter to get 3000 milliliter, then all 500 milliliter to get 3500 milliliter. Teacher, guess so you dare to answer me again. How many milliliter and 5 liter and 100 milliliter? Student, 5000 and 100 milliliter. Teacher, yes. Then 4000 and 200 milliliter equals how many liter? Student, 4 liter and 2000 milliliter. Teacher, yes, 4200 milliliter. Yes, 4000 milliliter plus 2000 milliliter when 4000 milliliter is 4 liter plus 200 milliliter. 4 liter 200 milliliter. Teacher, between liter and milliliter, do you think they are altered? Anites, of volume. Student, I don't know. Teacher, okay, don't worry. They are moved, and then I have an example to show you. See, teacher, let's get to now. The first one is the teaspoon. Which one teaspoon equals 5 milliliter? The second one is a tablespoon. Which one tablespoon equals 15 milliliter? The last one is a measuring cup. Which one cup equals 215 milliliter? Teacher, which one is measuring cup from the picture? Student, green. Teacher, where is it green? Student, because green look the biggest. Teacher, and which one are tablespoon from the picture? Student, blue. Teacher, where is it blue? Student, because blue is bigger than orange. Teacher, then right, so the last one is a teaspoon. So how many milliliter do you think 3 teaspoon equal? Student, 15 milliliter. Teacher, where don't it get 15 milliliter for? Student, because 1 teaspoon equals 5 milliliter, so we get 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 15 milliliter, or 5 x 3 is 15 milliliter. Teacher, very good. If 25 milliliter equal how many teaspoons? Student, 5 teaspoons. Teacher, that's right, because 5 milliliter equals 1 teaspoon, so 25 milliliter excited. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 24 milliliter, or 5 times 5 is 5 teaspoon. Okay, let's look at the next unit. That is teaspoon unit. Which one teaspoon equals 15 milliliter? Student, times 4 tablespoon equals how many milliliter? Student, 16 milliliter. Teacher, why don't it get 16 milliliter? Student, because it's tablespoon x 15 milliliter, so you get 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15 is 16 milliliter, or 15 x 4 is 60 milliliter. Teacher, very good. If it yes is if it is 75 milliliter, how many tablespoons is that? Student 5 tablespoons. Teacher, that's right because 15 milliliter equals 1 tablespoon is so 75 milliliter equals 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15 is 75 milliliter or 75 top 15 is 5 tablespoon. Okay, let's look at the next unit, that is measuring unit. Which one would pass? Equals 215 milliliter. Student think that to prove message equals how many milliliter? Student 5 milliliter. Teacher, where guess 500 milliliter? Student, because 1 cup equal to 115 milliliter. Then 200 milliliter plus 200 milliliter is 500 milliliter or 215 per x2 is 500 milliliter. Teacher, very good. If 700 and 400 milliliter exercise, how many tablespoons? Student 3 measuring cup. Teacher, correct because 215 milliliter equals 1 measuring cup. So 700 and 500 milliliter equals 215 plus 215 plus 215 is 700 and 500 milliliter or 700 and 15 200 and 500 is 3 tablespoons. Teacher, before we go to the game, let's review our knowledge. How much is 1 liter? Student 100 meter. Teacher, how much is teaspoon? Student 5 milliliter. Teacher, 1 teaspoon. Student 15 milliliter. Teacher, then 1 measuring cup. Student 215 milliliter. Teacher, guess so we can now convert liter, teaspoon, tablespoon, and measuring cup. 2 milliliter, 3 liter, start yeah today goodbye student thank you teacher thank you goodbye